Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily enable text-to-speech on your CHiQ L32. So first what we have to do is go over to the settings. So we need to go here, click all settings, and now wait for them to turn on. Scroll a bit down until you guys see the accessibility. Here we go to the screen readers and we have the text-to-speech. And here we can enable it. Here we can change the speech rate, listen to an example, or set the default language. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment. Bye.